Okay, Andrea, hi, how are you? Manuel, Ansi, Algar, hi, how are you guys? So let's take a look. Today I will talk about the Canadian dollar, actually about the Canadian inflation data and about its impact on gold, on the US dollar, on Japanese yen, on indexes, commodities, cryptocurrencies. Perez, hello. Hi, how are you? So, first of all, as you already know, risk disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks before trading. Also, don't forget that past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Very, very important. If you have questions, you can send an email to support. Yeah. Phillips, hi, how are you? And don't forget also that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly. If you have questions, you can send an email to support, guys. And yeah, if you want to join our VIP groups, you will have to buy a subscription. Okay, so Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly. Will never ask for payment, so you cannot contact us directly on Telegram. Will not personally, I will not contact you directly on Telegram. You cannot contact me directly on Telegram. So there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers. So yeah, Chris, you are the best. No, I'm not the best. So consumer price index in 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And as you can see here, the consumer price index is expected to report a 0.1% drop, okay, in September. And also core CPI will be released as well. So let's see how the markets will react around the economic data, because and yeah, personally I've said that I have a setup here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and maybe I will place the trade. And yeah, earlier today I've talked about if you have questions, guys, also I'm waiting for messages for questions. But first of all, also I will take a look on the dollar index, because I've talked about the dollar index earlier today in that market breakdown for the VIP group, and I've talked about this falling wedge pattern breakout. But in my opinion, the Canadian inflation data could bring volatility and sharp movements also. Chris, I'm fine. Yeah, great. DXY. Me too, Chris. So aggressive breakout, but in my opinion, the economic data could bring some volatility. Also, building permits, housing starts from the US. So let's see how the dollar index will react. Okay, because right now, let's take a look. I will take a quick look. Yeah, our trades are in profit. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, Orlando's trade, Orlando's remaining in gold, my trade in gold. So yeah, and Orlando's position in British pound versus the Japanese yen is around break even. What do you think about a sell on Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc? Right now, I don't know. It remains to see how the dollar, the US, yeah. So you want to sell. So you want to sell, how the Canadian dollar will react around the inflation data. And in my opinion, before, okay, because I believe that you want to sell because we are here around resistance. Okay, we have a resistance zone, resistance area, right? So this is the reason why I want to sell. So this is Algar, yeah. What's the Canadian dollar Japanese yen trade? Don't see it in VIP. Josh, I didn't place it yet. If I will place it, I will send it in the VIP group as well. But right now, as you already know, Orlando is already short on the Japanese yen. So yeah, I'll wait for the economic data before I will place that trade. Yeah. Thank you, guys. So Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, around and near resistance, but staying here, in my opinion. Okay, let's take a look. So we have something like like a resistance zone, resistance area here. Okay, something like this. And staying near the resistance zone, near the resistance area, could signal, guys, also a potential breakout, upside breakout. Yeah, after reaching the support zone, this zone. Okay. Yeah, so staying near that resistance zone, less than 1 minute and before the economic data, and yeah, here we are still below this this downtrend line. So no, personally I will not sell it right before the economic data. Let's see how it will react right after the economic. I will come back and I will talk about this market. So less than 1 minute. I will refresh also the economic calendar. I will keep an eye also on my news terminal. Okay, I believe that we have the inflation data. So consumer price index, let's refresh it. Shit, maybe I will have it in my news terminal. Yeah, so consumer price index better than expected, 0.1% growth versus 0.1% drop. So let's take a look on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar first of all, and also let's see how the markets will react in the short term. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, strong rally, but strong rally on higher inflation. Common CPI, trimmed CPI, above expectations. So higher inflation reported by Canada. Okay. Let's take a look. Yen basket as well. So I'll wait a little, because this could be only as a first reaction. Yeah, on the Canadian dollar. Look, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Rahman, hi, how are you? Ibrahim, yeah. I'm looking at that market, as I've said. I'm still waiting for core CPI. Yen basket still here, still above 72.31, and as long as it stays here, and the potential rebound could force the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen to drop. So yeah, let's wait, because my setup here, I will hide the setup, because maybe this will be only for the VIP group. Okay, for the VIP members. Yeah, and let's take a look also. So gold crashes on higher inflation, guys. Our positions in gold for the VIP group are in profit. So also US dollar, Canadian dollar rallied. So Orlando's position remaining part in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar in profit, still in profit. And yeah, really good. So that's why right now maybe higher inflation could force the Canadian dollar to depreciate a little. And actually, as a first reaction, that's why I'm still waiting with this potential setup in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and higher inflation, guys. And why I wanted, or why I still want to go long here, only if the yen basket will extend its sell-off, but right now it's still above support. Yeah, and also I'll wait to see how it will react here around this resistance, because I don't want to see a potential false breakout here and then to drop. Okay, so that's why I will still wait with this setup. Potential trade. DXY still bullish. Still bullish. So let's look for potential US dollar longs right now, and then I will take a look again on that US dollar versus the on that Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe here on the euro versus US dollar, I'll wait for a valid breakdown below the lower medium line before I will look for shorts. GBPUSD. Maybe we missed an opportunity here. Yeah, after retests. No, right now, no, I don't want to take to place a trade here on this market, because this could still represent a potential flag, a potential channel. Okay, the price is almost to hit this downside line, so that's why no, I will not take a trade here. US dollar Japanese yen, let's take a look. Now this market is, yeah, strongly bullish. It has resumed its upwards movement, but yeah, it's risky to buy it here because it's almost to reach R1. It could retreat, so maybe I'll wait for a retreat before I will go long again. US dollar Canadian dollar, Orlando is already long here right now, sell off. But I believe that Orlando's trade is still in profit. As you already know, his trade is actually, yeah, his stop loss it's above break even. It's at break even. Gold still in profit. I will keep an eye on all markets, on our trades. Yeah, yes, dollars. Let's yeah, US dollar versus the Swiss franc, strong rally only because the DXY rallied. Maybe we had something here, but yeah, maybe it was not a high probability trade or something. Yeah, or maybe I've missed an opportunity there on that market. No, I don't have something really good on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar. Nope, sideways movement here. The bias is still bearish, but hi, I'm from Indy. Can you please tell me about your VIP Forex signal plans and how will it benefit the subscribers of VIP Forex signals? So if you want to join us, if you want to join the VIP group, yeah, you can access the link posted right below this video, or you can use this link. Yeah, and first of all, if you want to join us, also you can visit our YouTube channel. First of all, you can learn a lot from our videos, from our webinars, from our tutorials and daily video analysis. And hi Orlando, any chance of doing another cronje? I'm not Orlando, I'm Olympio. Yeah, Orlando maybe will come back later or tomorrow. So I was driving when you did the offer and missed it out. So yeah, also you can send an email to support, guys, if you have more questions about VIP groups. Josh, VIP is great. They have trade ideas and great explanation of their trades. Great way to learn. Yeah. So if you want to join us and to learn how to read the markets, to get all our trades. Of course, if you want to follow our trades, yeah, to follow our trade management, you can access that link, or you can send an email to support as well if you want more details. Yeah, I'm here to okay, so strong rally here on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, but I don't know if I want to take it here or because after the inflation data, okay, as a first reaction, the Canadian dollar rallies right now, and maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait also for a valid breakout, test, retest before extending its growth, because I don't want to place maybe a buy stop here because the price could reach it, could drop again, or yeah, it remains to see. Yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react. This 1 hour candle will be closed in 20 minutes. So yeah, maybe I will still wait to see how it will react here, because and why maybe I want to go long here, because the bias is still bullish, guys. So false breakdown, great separation, rally towards the medium line, retreat, breakout, and as you already know, personally I was long here. I've managed my position for 83, 84 pips here. Sell off, accumulation, consolidation, and maybe a new higher high could signal potential further growth. This could be the rationale, the thought process behind my pending order. But pending order, or maybe I'll wait for a valid breakout here and I will go long at market. But right now I'll wait. Okay, so please understand that this is only my opinion, it's my analysis, and it's not a trading recommendation. Because personally I'm not a financial advisor. So US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Now, personally I'm still looking for a potential US dollar long as well. I don't know if I have a potential Hey brother, thanks for your response. I'm a student. Will it be good if I take the VIP plan, and will it be right for me to not to learn trading and just trade through signals? So personally, here at Learn to Trade, where we are sharing our trades. Okay, please understand this. We are sharing our trades, and it's up to you. Yeah, if you want to follow our trades. Personally, I'm not promising you anything, because that's why personally I'm presenting that risk disclaimer every time before all my videos and webinars. And please understand that trading is risky, and also past performance in trading is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I will double my account this year, or and maybe next year I will lose 10%, 15%. Okay, okay. So trading is risky, guys. This is but first of all, so it's important to learn. Yeah, Abbas, it's very, very important to learn how to trade, how to read the markets. Yeah, so it's up to you if you want to join us. It's your call. It's your call. Yeah. Let's take a look also on British pound, Japanese yen. On British pound, Japanese yen, personally I've had also a setup here. I will delete the setup because Orlando is already long. Cronje, my apologies, Olympic. No, don't worry. Euro, Swiss franc as a long. Maybe I will take a look on that market as well. But first of all, let's take a look. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, to see if all the Japanese yen pairs are bullish. Retreats. Also here. And about gold, personally I'm still holding. Yeah, and also as you already know, Orlando already managed its position, took profit on that trade, and the stop loss is at break even on his trade. And personally I'm holding my my trade. Yeah, the initial setup with stop loss, take profit. Yeah, okay. Okay, Euro, Japanese yen. and New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen. Okay, yen basket again. Yen basket again. Thanks a lot. You are a very nice guy. Hi. Yes, I am. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So don't forget also to like this video. Gold is going up. So Rodriguez, it's up to you how you manage your positions. Okay. Yeah, it's up to you. So as I've said, personally, I'm still holding. It's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Okay, if you want to follow my trade management, it's fine. If you want to manage your positions, it's fine. So I will not tell you what to do. So yeah. Okay, yen basket. After this spike or pin bar or something, maybe the bias remains bearish, but please take a look here. Okay, key level 72.31. Yeah, and a downside continuation here could force the Japanese yen to resume its depreciation. Okay, maybe I will use this new downtrend line here as a dynamic resistance. Okay, and if it continues to drop, then maybe Canadian dollar Japanese yen could extend its growth. But maybe I will wait for this candle to for this 1 hour candle to be closed, and yeah, because maybe we could still have a retest before jumping higher, or maybe we'll have a very breakout before extending its growth. So yeah, I'm still looking at Canadian dollar Japanese yen as a potential long, but as I've said, sorry, GBP Japanese yen, and let's take a look also on our real account, because yeah, as I've said, Orlando is already long on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, so it's short Japanese yen. So yeah, I'll wait to see, because right now I don't know if I'll want to double the risk on that on the Japanese yen. Okay. Okay, so our trades right now. So yeah, British pound versus the Japanese yen at break even, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar in profit, gold, my trade in profit, and Orlando's trading gold in profit. Okay, so I'm still holding. Let's take a look also on gold, and I've told you guys, because personally I will hide this this setup from here, because it's only for the VIP members. So about gold, yeah, please take a look. Sideways movement here, false breakdowns here below the medium line, downtrend line. It has escaped from this triangle as a downside continuation pattern. Brother does not have any course for trading. Yeah, Abbas, please, you can take a look on our website, or you can take a look in the description below this this video, and you will have there a link, Forex course. This is for beginners. Yeah, learn to trade Forex course. Also, we have to become a professional trader. Yeah, this will take some time. Yeah, Abbas, you need experience. But first of all, if you are a beginner, you need to maybe to take a look on that course, yeah, and then maybe to join the VIP group. Also to watch our webinars in our YouTube channel. Also to take a look on our tutorials. Maybe I will start recording more tutorials for the YouTube channel, and yeah, maybe you will understand how to read the markets. Yeah, maybe it's not important actually to use my strategy or my approach, but yeah, it's very important to understand how to read the markets. Yeah, and yeah, maybe in time, maybe you will become a professional trader. Yeah, because here at Learn to Trade, we are using only 1% risk, yeah, per trade, because we are trading like professionals, okay, with using risk management, money management, yeah. So yeah, and personally, I'm trying here to identify high probability trades with a really good risk to reward ratio. So yeah, if you want to join us, it's up to you. I will I will not force you to join us, because I'm not here for this. So about gold, staying near the medium line here, it has signaled an imminent breakdown, and right now, yeah, breakdown, retest, a new lower low. So in my opinion, as long as it stays below the medium line, below the downtrend line, despite temporary rebounds after this strong sell-off, despite temporary rebounds, the bias is bearish, okay, here in gold. So I've talked about gold today in that in my video, daily video analysis, and I've talked about this scenario. And please take a look here, okay, downtrend line, down channel, its failure to reach, to retest. Can you please get back to gold analysis? Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Its failure here to test retest, to approach, to reach, to retest the downtrend line, maybe signaled the strong downside pressure, strong bearish pressure here. So yeah, I'm holding. As I've said, I'm holding, and this is my analysis. This is my opinion. Hi brother, have we got signals for Forex today? Ramazanov, hi brother, have we got signals for Forex today? Yeah. So please take a look on the VIP group. So we sent 2 trades in gold. Yeah. And personally, maybe I will take a trade in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So, but yeah, brother, you are working hard. Thanks a lot for explaining everything. It's a very good one. God bless you, brother. Thanks. So this is my opinion about gold. Yeah, gold, and here is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, this candle, 1 hour candle, will be closed in 8 minutes, and maybe I will wait for confirmation here. Okay, let's take a look. And as I said, guys, in my previous webinars, maybe I'll work on a trading course. I will record a trading course, a best, but maybe this will be available only next year. Yeah, trading course on new strategy. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. And also don't forget to join that group, guys. Dash to trade silver as well. Silver. So higher inflation, guys. About gold again. Gold, yeah. Higher inflation. Maybe as you already know, maybe gold is used as an edge to inflation, but higher inflation, guys. Higher inflation reported by the US, higher inflation reported by the UK, United Kingdom today, higher inflation reported by Canada today will force the central banks to increase, yeah, the interest rates, and that's why maybe the yellow metal gold could slip lower. Okay, but as I've said, after this sell-off, we cannot exclude a rebound in the short term. So that's why personally I'm still holding my position. Yeah, it's up to you how you want to manage your positions. Yeah, but personally I'm still holding because maybe the price will come back to retest the medium run before dropping deeper. Yeah. Yeah, maybe as a first reaction, a rebound. Yeah, also from this sliding line. Inside sliding line, we also have an inside sliding line here as resistance. So yeah, I'm still holding. Okay, guys. So someone asked me, let's go back, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Someone asked me about that market, so please take a look. Yeah, it has rallied. So yeah, I've told you that staying near and its failure to make a new lower low here after retesting the resistance, after failing to make a new low, higher high, after its failure to make a new lower low here, it has signaled strong upside pressure. So this is my opinion, because you can see that the price failed to come back down. Okay, it stays near this resistance and signaling upside pressure and signaling maybe an imminent breakout here, because right now the Canadian dollar rallied. It has appreciated a little also versus the US dollar. Hello, my understanding is that there are two ways to join the VIP group: monthly fee or open an account with Ava or Longhorn. Is it right? Yeah, yeah, Chris. But if you'll decide to open a trading account with our partners, brokerage companies, you will have to trade on that account. Okay, Chris? Because if you will only open the account and if you will not trade, then you will be kicked out, yeah, from the VIP group. Or if you'll buy a subscription monthly, yeah, you will be in our VIP group. And don't forget that we have a swing trading group, VIP group, we have crypto VIP group, and our general or Forex, but in Forex, in our general maybe VIP group, from time to time maybe we'll send also Ethereum, Bitcoin, commodities, indexes. So it's not only this is not only for Forex pairs. Yep, that's my intention. Yeah, Chris. How many trade a day or week? Chris, please understand that we are looking for high probability trades. Yeah, and when we'll have something, we'll share it. It's up to you if you want to trade it, to follow it, and yeah, I don't know, maybe at least 2 trades per day. Yeah. So yeah, maybe more, 3, 4. When we have something really good, maybe only 1, maybe only 2, but yeah, maybe at least 2 trades per day, Chris. And also in the swing trading group, you will have I don't know, maybe 1 trade per week, 2 trades per week. Yeah, could you give us a free signal today as gift? I don't know if I want to make gifts today. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, yeah, it's still there. I'm still waiting because it's still far below 108.93 resistance. Can we copy trade with these brokers? No, Chris. Right now, unfortunately, we don't have copy trading, but maybe we'll have copy trading service soon again. Yeah, because yeah, we had copy trading with ACAP, with our with one of our partners, but yeah, right now we don't have this service anymore. I opened an account on Ava, and I'm not in the VIP, I think. Rodriguez, please send an email to support. I don't know your situation. I don't know if you opened an account with AvaTrade. Yeah. Yeah. So Chris, Longhorn is I believe for United States or for UK. So I don't know. I'm not here to talk about brokerage companies. Please please understand this, and that's why you'll have to send an email to support. Yeah, I'm here as a trader, as a trading analyst. So I'm here to talk about markets. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm not working as a support agent. I don't know all these details, and also that's why if you have a problem, if you have an issue, you have to send an email to support. Yeah. Also, I'm here to talk about trades. What about Young? What the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar? Yeah, it drops right now, but Orlando's trade is safe. Yeah, is in profit. That US dollar versus Canadian dollar. He took profits yesterday, great profits. So right now, I don't know. What do you want me to say about this market? Please, guys, if you want me to talk about a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Also, British pound versus the Japanese yen in profit. Yeah. Please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me what you are looking at. If you are long, if you are short. I'm from Canada, Chris. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Please send an email to support. Please send an email to support. Any thoughts on gold? Amir, I've talked about gold. I'm sorry. Are you a VIP member? If you are a VIP member, I've talked about gold. You can watch this this video later today. I talked about gold. Personally, I'm still holding. Yeah, despite the temporary rebounds. So it's up to you if you want to, how you want to manage your positions. Okay. I come from your VIP group for nice crypto trades. Just come in now. Bitcoin, Chris. Yeah, let's take a look on Bitcoin. So personally, I'm not managing the crypto groups. Yeah. We have another trader for the crypto groups because we cannot manage everything. I cannot manage everything here. Orlando cannot manage everything. So yeah, Bitcoin. Let's take a look because I believe that we have. Actually, I've invited also the swing trading groups, also crypto groups. Bitcoin sideways movement. I don't like the price action. That's why I'll stay away. And I'll wait for fresh opportunities. But let's invite more members. My webinar. Okay. Okay, guys. Got it. Okay. But you are the best. No, I'm not the best. Thank you, Chris. So sideways movement here in Bitcoin. Sideways movement, extended range. So it's really hard maybe to identify something really good on this sideways movement. But major downtrend line, guys. Okay, downtrend line, major downtrend line. Let's take a look. Yeah. Please take a look from this top, connecting these lower highs, and right now, guys, the price jumped above the downtrend line. Also, we have something like a support zone, support area, because the price failed to drop and to make a new lower low. So right now it continues to move sideways after retesting the broken downtrend line. Here false breakdown with great separation through this this confluence area, and sideways movement, in my opinion. And yeah, maybe you already know from my analysis. Josh, thoughts on short-term Nasdaq, so US 100. Are you staying for New York Open, for US Open? But you know, it remains to see. If you have questions, if we can have a conversation here, yeah, maybe I will stay, yeah, for the US Open, or I don't know, yeah. Let's see, because right now, personally, I'm still looking for potential new trades. So sideways movement here. If it stays above this zone area, if it makes a new higher high, but personally, maybe I will look for potential. So personally, I'm looking for potential longs. Okay, to be honest, here in Bitcoin for new longs, as long as it stays within this range. And maybe I will look also on 1 hour sideways movement. Let's take a look. Let's use maybe a downtrend line also here, and maybe a valid breakout above it could signal potential growth towards, at least towards 20,381. So yeah, maybe I'll wait for something like this. Right now, no, I don't want to sell it. Okay, I don't want to sell it. Maybe I will look for only for potential longs. And guys, as you already know, a larger upwards movement or maybe a potential reversal could be activated if the price will jump close and stabilize here above 20,381. Okay, if it after this after all these false breakdowns from this range, or maybe we can use this support. Okay, an upside breakout could signal potential growth. First time here, thanks for sharing the knowledge. Any update on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen? Yeah, I've told you guys. Are you a VIP member? If you're a VIP member, you already know that if I'll place a trade here for learn to trade, I will share it in the VIP group as well. So if you are a VIP member, you will have the levels, the trade. But as I've said earlier, I'm still waiting here because maybe this was only a first reaction, after the Canadian inflation data. Let's wait. I'll wait. Maybe I'll wait for the price to retest the support levels again, or maybe I'll wait for a valid breakout here before taking the trade and placing the trade. And yeah, I have a setup. Okay, I have a setup, but yeah, you have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient, because I will not place trades only because you want to trade 10 times per day. Okay, because if you want 10 trades, if you want to place 10 trades per day, it's up to you. But personally, I will share 1, 2, 3 trades per day. Orlando will share 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, 10 trades per day. So yeah, I'll wait for confirmation. Trading is risky, yeah, guys. So we need confirmation on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Don't forget, guys, to like the video, and I will talk about because please take a look here. Yeah, British pound, Japanese yen is still there. Yen basket, and I've talked about yen basket. Also, I need confirmation here. I have a setup on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, but yeah, I need confirmation also here. Yeah, maybe a new lower low to confirm a potential downside movement. US 100. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Gold in profit. I've told you guys that that I'm holding, that the bias is bearish. Sorry for all these lines here, but please take a look. Maybe I will delete this this line. Yeah, my analysis here. Sorry for all these lines, but yeah, maybe it's really it's easy to understand here. A descending pitchfork, 1, 2, and 3, guys. Test, retest, new lower low, downside movement. And I told you guys also in the previous week that the medium line stands as a dynamic support. And I've told you guys that a very breakdown below the medium line could activate a potential downside movement, downside continuation here in gold. Also here a down channel, and the downtrend line has dynamic resistance. As long as it stays below it, it could drop deeper. As long as it stays right now, because yeah, it has activated, it has confirmed this breakdown. As long as it stays below the medium line, it could drop deeper. So yeah, if you are a VIP member, you already have the thought process. I talked actually about this potential setup and downside continuation also in my in today's video analysis. So yeah. Cecilia, hello. Hi, how are you? So yeah, US 100. So what about on short-term Nasdaq? So what about this market? Please tell me, are you long or short? You want to go long, you want to go short? So in my opinion, as long as the US dollar continues to grow, maybe, or to appreciate, maybe the US equities, US 100, US 500, US 30 could maybe could drop again. So in my opinion here, I don't know, maybe we can talk about major downtrend line here, something like this. Also about downtrend line, something like this. Okay, and right now it has reached, it has tested, retested, or actually it has maybe retested this immediate and downtrend line, and only false breakout. As long as it stays below it, it could drop. Of course, if the dollar index rallies, if the US dollar appreciates versus its rivals. But no, this is not a trading recommendation. This is not a trade. I don't have a setup right now. I don't have a setup. Maybe I will have a setup if the price comes back to retest this, and if it makes a new lower low, then maybe I will have a setup. But right now, no, I don't have a setup. Okay. But in my opinion, the bias is still bearish, and only a new higher high. If it moves sideways, value breakout here, a new higher high could signal potential upside movement. Okay. US 30. Yeah, Cecilia, hello. Hi, how are you? Christina, support previous resistance. Do you think it will go to a lower level to the next significant support? You think gold will down till 1,600? I don't know, Cecilia. I don't know if it will go towards that psychological level. So here is the psychological level. It remains to see, but as I said, technically, as long as it stays below this medium line, below the downtrend line, it could continue to drop, maybe. Yeah. So let's wait. Cecilia, are you a VIP member? Because if you are a VIP member, personally, I will share my trade management. Okay, and also Christina, about Bitcoin, as I've said, sideways movement. Okay, sideways movement in the short term. it continues to move within this range. Yeah, and as long as it stays maybe here above 18,905, about this support, it could still try to, maybe the price of Bitcoin could still try to come back higher, and that's why I said that I'll keep an eye on this minor downtrend line here within this range, because a value breakout could signal potential growth. And also after this false breakdown with great separation here, okay, false breakdown with great separation of this pin bar, it was confirmed rally, and right now it moves sideways. It could try to attract more bullish energy before making a new higher high, and but as I said, personally I don't want to sell it here. Okay, right above all these former lows have support levels, a lot of support levels here, so I don't want to sell it here. Maybe on lower time frames, but right now no. Okay, okay, Cecilia, not that I'm only in a free Telegram channel. Okay, okay, great, but I will be VIP soon, I hope. Cecilia, it's up to you. I will not force you to to become a VIP member. It's up to you. If you want to join the VIP group, if you want to learn how to read the markets, to get all our trades, VIP content, and everything, yeah, it's up to you. Okay, can you please check Euro USD? What is your opinion? Do the opportunity. So please tell me what you are looking at in Euro USD, because personally I've talked about that market. Okay, I've talked about that market, about Euro USD. And also personally I'm waiting for something here, very important, or on lower time frame, on 15 minutes. Also here maybe I would have liked to see something like hidden divergence, guys. Hidden divergence in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Breakout. Yeah. What do you think of EuroCAD entry? No, I will not tell you what to do. It's your call. Christina, thank you. Maybe I will take a look on Algar. Brugan Algar, I will take a look on that market, but I will not tell you what to do. I will not tell you if I will not validate the potential your setup or something, your trade or something. No, I will share my opinion. Please understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to do. Yeah. US 30. US 30. Dow Jones Industrial Average here. Okay. Only false breakout above this immediate downtrend line, minor downtrend line. Right now, yeah, we have a support zone. Former resistance turned it into a support here. Okay. Yeah. If it stays below the downtrend line, a new lower low could signal potential downside movement. Hefe, what? So, gold, I believe that's Let's take a look on gold. So pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can select 3 points, pivots, and to draw a pitchfork, you can draw up an ascending pitchfork as well, selecting 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and when we have a descending pitchfork, this is upper medium line, this is the medium line, this is the lower medium line. Okay, and when we'll have our ascending pitchfork, here is the medium line, lower medium line, and upper medium line. Okay, but if you want to know or if you want to learn how to use pitchfork and use pitchfork, this tool, you can visit our YouTube channel, and we have trading tutorials, and you can watch those tutorials trying to understand how to use the upper medium line in trading, the medium line, the lower medium line, yeah, inside sliding line, parallel lines. Yeah, thank you guys. So about US 30, as I've said, staying below this downtrend line and making a new lower low could signal potential sell-off, but this scenario will take shape only if the dollar index will extend its growth, if the US dollar will appreciate versus its rivals. Because if it stays above 30,369, and if it makes a value breakout here and a new higher high, then it could signal potential larger rebound, upwards movement, swing higher. So maybe I will keep an eye on this market, and maybe I will have something like a potential setup trade on US 30. US 30. On US 30, guys. But right now I'll wait. Maybe I would like the price to retest it again before a new lower low, before dropping deeper, or because false breakdowns here followed by a value breakout, a new higher high could signal potential growth. Okay. If you have questions, guys, more questions. Yeah, this market is still here near resistance. Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, is still there. British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, yen basket. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen is still far below this resistance, so I'll wait. Yeah. US oil. Unfortunately, that scenario was invalidated. That long scenario here in US oil. So right now in the short term, we cannot exclude a deeper drop, and maybe this could be my new buying zone. Maybe. Okay, it remains to see how it will react, because if it drops here, retest, accumulation, consolidation, and escaping from this channel, because we have a channel here, could signal potential new bullish momentum. But right now it's bearish. Okay, it's bearish in the short term. It's bearish. Temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities in US oil. Okay. If you have questions, DAX 30. Nope. DAX 30, yeah, maybe it could come back towards this this downtrend line after ignoring the resistance zone, and also here after making a new higher high in the short term, and right now it tries to retest here. Maybe I'll look for a potential long in DAX 30 as well. Okay. Yeah, after its aggressive rally here in dollar index, I want to see a retreat before something like this, okay? And this retreat could force the US dollar to depreciate a little versus its rivals, could force the price of gold maybe to grow a little, to increase a little, but yeah, I'm still holding because dollar index maintains a bullish bias. This could be only a temporary drop after this amazing aggressive rally, and this retreat here could bring us maybe new US dollar longs. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, maybe I'll wait. I'll stay for the US Open in less than 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Sorry, guys. I'm tired. Ahmed, hi. I'm going to ask you a question about massive stop losses of centuries. So can you explain? Because there is some traders who have small accounts. Thank you. Massive stop losses. What do you mean, Ahmed? So, I don't know what you mean by massive stop losses. I believe that if you have a small account, you cannot trade maybe gold, like my position, right? Please confirm. Maybe not massive, but larger stop losses, right, Ahmed? I'm waiting for a reply, Ahmed. And yeah, if you are talking about larger stop losses, and if you cannot place a trade maybe in gold using 0.01, the minimum size, yeah, I cannot do anything about it. But also today, Orlando had a short term, an intraday trade in gold with so please confirm, Ahmed, because I don't know what a massive stop loss is. Yeah, big stop losses, larger stop losses. Yeah, so yeah, so it's up to you. So if you cannot, if you want to use the same risk, so 1% risk, and if you cannot place a trade or take a trade, don't take it, okay, Ahmed? Because today Orlando had also placed a trade in gold with a small, yeah, stop loss. Yeah, let's take a look on our real account. So if you cannot, where is gold? Here is gold. What? Yeah, so Orlando placed a trade today in gold using this this stop loss. Okay, so he placed a trade here with a stop loss here. Okay, and I believe that's also with those who have small trading accounts maybe. And yeah, about my trade, yeah, I have a larger stop loss, but if you cannot take the trade, don't take it. Yeah, Ahmed, you can use a risk calculator. If the stop loss is too big, don't take the trade. Yeah, Christina, yeah, if you cannot yeah, larger. Okay, yeah, Ahmed. So this is my opinion, because also maybe personally I don't know, I would have liked to place the stop loss here, okay, and an entry here. But also, if I cannot open a trade or place a trade with 1% risk, I will not take the trade, Ahmed, okay. So for those who have small accounts, trade only maybe Forex pairs, it's up to you. Yeah, I will not tell you what to do, but yeah, Ahmed, also use that position size calculator. If you are a VIP member, Ahmed, you have the position size calculator in the VIP group. You can search for that position size calculator. You can download it and you can add it to your platform. Okay, and okay, if you want to use 1% risk, because personally I'm using 1% risk. Thank you. So US Open right now, let's take a look. So gold, I believe that's yeah, my position in gold is in profit. Orlando's position in gold is in profit. British pound versus Japanese yen in profit. In profit. Let's take a look also on US 100. Yeah, still there. US 30, still there. But maybe we'll have some strong reaction right now after the US Open. Yeah. US oil. Sell off. As I've said, bearish bias here on US oil. Maybe this potential flag could bring us a potential downside movement here. I'll wait. Yeah, I'll wait here for a valid breakout in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, because after this rally, I would like maybe a breakout and then the price to retest this level or this level before extending its growth. Because you can see here right now it has reached 108.93. It has retreated a little. So this is as this stands as a resistance level. Okay. Euro USD. Euro USD. What? Only false breakout, but false breakdown actually. But also after this massive sell-off, and I told you that the dollar index could test and retest the immediate support levels. That's why this market could rebound, and as long as it stays below 0.9806, maybe I will look for a potential short here in Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Yeah, because this could be only a temporary drop before extending its growth. So Euro USD, maybe I will send a new trade in Euro USD into the VIP group, a pending order. So right now all our trades are in profit. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. One moment. Yeah, larger. Thank you. You know what time Canadian inflation news will be released? Cecilia, the Canadian inflation is out. It was released 1 hour ago. Cecilia. So you'll have to, Cecilia, you'll have to use a Forex calendar, okay? Maybe like this one on Forex Factory. It's up to you, or from your brokerage. So yeah, Canadian Consumer Price Index, higher inflation. Cecilia, thank you. Where can I find Forex lot calculator in VIP group? Chris, maybe I will, Cecilia, sorry, thanks. No, don't worry. So maybe I will, Chris, you can search for that position size calculator in the VIP group, or maybe I will share it again. Yeah, as the last message or something. Okay. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.